of our country. I am reminded, and I want to thank God for the last general election. The last general election were in a category of their own. I mean, it was a turning point from where I sit in the politics of Kenya. And I have 4 reasons why I think it was a turning point. Number one, it is the election where the 2 national formations had actually a national face on either side. The ethnic configuration that always informed our politics was not there. We had both sides presenting a national face in their formation. Number 2, we had the most evident issue-based election. The election was about issues. There are issues that we differed. Our brothers on the other side, for example, said borrowing money was good because we were using other people's money to run our development, which made some sense. We argued on our side that we needed to slow down on borrowing because borrowing could lead us to a different place. But we also had occasion when both formations agreed, like for example, on housing. So it was issue-based. We had an issue-based election. It is also correct that we had a closely contested election. Again, because it only happens in Kenya that in our last election, the opposition leader became the government candidate. And the sitting president of the government became the opposition candidate. And as things would be, the opposition candidate, who was the then sitting deputy president, won the election, and the sitting president then handed over power to his deputy and went ahead to become the leader of the opposition party. That only happens in Kenya, I think. So it was quite amazing. The 4th characteristic of our last election, from where I sit, is that with all that, we ended up with a peaceful election. And we thank God for a peaceful election and a peaceful country. And that is why this morning, I join you with rejoicing, thanksgiving, faithful supplication, and prayer in my heart. I praise the Almighty God of all creation, whose supremacy we, the people of Kenya, solemnly and humbly acknowledge, even at the moment of constituting our sovereign republic, and to whom we submit our aspirations in prayer every time